From the provider's biggest sit is a crisscross-legged office chair with wheels, swivel, meditation chair for ADHD, ergonomic cross-legged desk chair with thick and adjustable footstool, PU sitting, fidgeting, nailing chair for home, yoga, a black chair. We're going to show you what's inside the box and how it's unpacked and set up the chair. We have a chair that we're building. It's adjustable in height, swivels with the bottom feet that comes out, swivels around in any direction, and it fits underneath on a desk to a workstation and more. What we're going to do is show you what this chair is about and how to install. Everything's laid out for you. There's a package list, the assembly instructions. We have from the base with the wheels, the backing, and so forth. So what we're going to do now is we're going to assemble our chair. We have a tool, bolts with blue Loctite, and a set screw. We have 10 number ones, a right Allen key with the Phillips. Simply slide all the pieces on. With the bolt, Allen key, match up the hole and lock down each of the pieces. Once everything's locked down, we have casters. They snap on with your thumb, push in. When completed, rotate around. With the piston, place on. Place to the side. With the chair, the front, place on with the base to the front. With 4 number 2s, start to lock down. With the back and the thumb bolt, rotate around. Adjust and slide on and lock down. As we're demonstrating placing the seat upright, with the 2 zippers and the holes match up, 2 number 4s N and D, the cap cover with the opening by pulling down the extension, placing on and over with the bolts placed on and securing down. Place the base to the side. With BFL 2s and 3s along with H's, simply place on, match each of the holes, and lock down. With the 2 casters, place on. The 2 casters placed on and the bar slid into the hole by spreading a little and adjusting by turning around, bringing in the base. With placing the base on, removing the cap, placing the base of the chair into the area, and locking into place. Before sitting and extending, we have one final screw to put in and lock down. The screw that we placed on prevents the chair from coming out. As we lift up the chair, we're able to slide in and pull out. On the chair itself, we have here is a lean, a height adjustment by pressing up. The chair is fully completed. On this chair we have over here is a lift up and down. The chair will go up as high, and sitting on the chair brings it all the way down. When wanting the bottom base to come out for your feet, pull, crisscross. The chair does not have a lean back, but is flexible as seen. It's rollable. It is a soft cushion, leather-like, foam with stitching and black on black. 5 caster wheels plus 2 for the bottom support. It pushes in, rolls around, out of the way. Choose the height you like by raising, and we'll give him measurements of the minimum and maximum height. The minimum height of the chair from the floor to the base is 22. Back of the chair to the height is 36. The width of the feet area measures about 26 inches by 14 inches maximum. The seat alone width is 18 inches by 17 inches. The height raised up measures 28 inches. From the base to the bottom feet area measures 14.5 inches. This is the chair. The bottom adjustment can be moved a little in and out for closeness. With the depth of the back measuring 15 inches and loosening up to the widest point, 16 inches. As we sit on the chair at the highest level, the feet out, crossed. This is a yoga chair that you'll decide if the chair is right for you for your needs. Sitting at a table nice and high, underneath, to sitting at a computer desk and more. Lowering the chair is as simple as pressing the button. Moving the bottom base out and away. Working by your desk, underneath. To bringing the feet out and about. At the lowest position point, we are able to do our work and more. I hope you enjoy your chair if this is something that you are looking for in your crisscross, yoga, and more. Thank you for viewing.